Next question says, write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. So the first one is, a type of microorganism we have, that is lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is used to form curd from milk. So that's the first point. Second is rhizobium bacteria. So rhizobium bacteria present in the roots of plants fix nitrogen from air and supply nitrogen compounds such as ammonia to the plants, and therefore they are useful as microorganisms. Third point is, some microorganisms are also used in the process of winemaking, the production of winemaking, production of baking, production of pickling, and other food making processes. Next process is fermentation, which is done by yeast microorganism, and it is widely used in the preparation of wine and bread making. Next useful part is, the microbes are actually used to reduce pollution. Now question is how? Some decomposers in our environment are bacteria and fungi, and they actually decompose dead bodies and organic matter we have all around. Next is, microbes are again used in the production of medicines. The antibiotics we know and we take are chemicals produced by microorganisms to kill bacteria. So they are chemically produced by microorganisms to kill bacteria in the host cell. The next is, bacteria that are present in our intestine helps in proper digestion and release vitamin B, which is absorbed by intestine. So we have one bacteria that is present in our intestine and helps in proper digestion. Next is based on vaccines. So vaccines are actually prepared from microorganisms, and these vaccines are given to children to protect them from further disease. The last one is yeast, that is used in making idlis, bread, pastries and cakes. Now you must be wondering why. So in this case the yeast is used to make idlis, bread, pastries and cakes because they release carbon dioxide in the presence of these dough. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Please subscribe, share and like.